Hello, today I will show you how to connect and run Caddx FPV camera model Turbo Micro F2. This camera has lens 2.1 mm and can be supplied from 5 to 40 volts. Let's look inside the box. You can buy the camera with different colors: yellow, green, red. Mounting brackets. What is nice that we have in the box the cables, so we don't need to buy them. To test the preview from the FPV camera, I will be using FPV transmitter Caddx 801 and FPV goggle and LiPo battery. As you can see in the specification, we will need to connect the plus and minus to the LiPo battery and the video signal to the camera. To do that, I will solder the 3 pins from the camera, plus, minus, and the video. So I have already connected those 3 pins from the FPV transmitter, so 5 volts GND and video, with the camera. Five volts GND and video, yellow. So we can connect the LiPo battery, plus and minus, from the range 7 to 24 volts to this FPV transmitter. Here we go. Channel 8, and the same on the FPV goggles. As we can see, the view is quite well.